going to make a really easy dish. It's Brussels sprouts with cranberries and onions and walnuts. So start out sauteing your onions for about 2 minutes. Then you're going to add your thinly slivered Brussels sprouts. Now, I'm not a big Brussels sprout fan. However, when you thinly slice them on a mandolin, believe it or not, it really enhances the flavor. Give them a good stir and let them cook down for a few minutes. When they start wilting, you're going to add your garlic. Now you want to give this a good stir and make sure that your Brussels sprouts are well coated in your cooking oil. I like a sweet flavor. I'm going to zest some orange into my Brussels sprouts, and then I'm also going to squeeze a small wedge to get some of the fresh orange juice. Don't go overboard on zesting your orange. You just want a little bit so that the flavor will infuse into your sprouts. Now I'm going to put a squirt of fresh orange juice right into my Brussels sprouts, and that's going to add a really nice, fresh, bright flavor. My Brussels sprouts are looking good. I'm adding a little bit of water just to have a little more moisture in here. And I'm going to let this cook for about another 5 minutes. So while your Brussels sprouts are simmering for a few minutes, you want to cover it to keep the moisture locked in. Add some dried cranberries to your Brussels sprouts and continue cooking for another few minutes to plump them up. And now my favorite part, I'm adding maple syrup to my Brussels sprouts. Now go lightly, a little bit goes pretty far. So the Brussels sprouts are ready. You can see they still have some bright green color in them. That's where you want to stop. You never want to overcook your Brussels sprouts or they're going to have that nasty flavor that you remember from when you were a kid. So give Brussels sprouts another try.